Frankie, the little friendly monster. Have you ever heard of a monster that doesn't want to scare anyone? Not even a teeny tiny boo? Well, deep in the friendly forest under the twinkling stars lived one very special monster named Frankie. And Frankie was different. Frankie had soft green fur, bright blue eyes, and the biggest smile you've ever seen. But all the other monsters in his town, Growly, Stompfoot, and even Little Screechy, all loved Halloween because it was the one night a year they could scare the humans. I don't want to scare anyone. I just want to make them laugh. Maybe even hug me, Frankie said. Hug you? Monsters don't hug, they roar, Growly shouted. You'll never win the Monster of the Night badge like that, Frankie, Little Screechy said. Poor Frankie sighed. He wanted to belong. But scaring people just wasn't what he wanted to do. It was Halloween night. The sky was purple and gold. Ghosts floated through trees, skeletons danced on rooftops, and werewolves howled at the moon. Let's go scare some trick-or-treaters, yelled Little Screechy. Maybe I'll just hand out candy, Frankie said. But as the monsters ran off into the night, something happened. A small voice whispered through the trees. Hello, Mommy. I can't find my way home, a little voice said. Frankie peeked out from behind a bush and saw a little girl in a fairy costume starting to cry. Are you okay? He asked. Ah, a monster. The little girl screamed. It's okay. I won't hurt you. I don't like scaring people. I like helping people, Frankie said. The little girl blinked, still afraid. You're kind of cute. Like a big green teddy bear, she told him. Thank you. Want to hear a silly joke while we find your mom? Frankie asked. Frankie held her hand and walked with her, telling jokes and singing silly songs. Wiggle, wiggle, roar, I'm a monster, but I don't bite. I dance and sing on Halloween night. Soon they reached the girl's house. Her mother ran out and hugged her tight. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Monster, the girl's mom said. Call me Frankie, he told her. The next day, the monsters gathered to award the Monster of the Night badge. Who scared the most people? Stompfoot wanted to know. Who made kids scream? Growly asked. Actually, the real hero this Halloween is Frankie, the head monster said. Frankie? They all shouted. He didn't scare. He didn't roar. But he helped a lost little girl. That's the best Halloween thing a monster can do, the monster chief told them. And from that day on, Frankie the friendly monster was famous. Not for scaring, but for caring. And every Halloween, kids looked forward to seeing the green monster with the big heart. And the even bigger hug. So remember, being kind is the bravest thing of all. Just ask Frankie.